Welcome to this overview of the onsemi RSL15 Evaluation and Development Board, or EVB, which will help you get started on designs based on the RSL15 ultra-low power, Bluetooth low energy 5.2 wireless microcontroller. Using the Secure ARM Cortex M33 processor design, the RSL15 powers connected smart devices in industrial, medical, and smart building applications. With built-in power management, a wide supply voltage range, flexible GPIO, and an extensive set of peripherals, the RSL15 offers maximum design flexibility for high-performance and ultra-low power applications. The RSL15 includes 80 kilobytes of RAM and is available with 284 kilobyte or 512 kilobyte flash options. The RSL15 Evaluation and Development Board enables you to easily investigate the optimum use of the RSL15 microcontroller in applications ranging from asset tracking and monitoring to industrial automation. The board simplifies code downloading and debugging, and it includes a JTAG debug port accessible via a 10-pin header. Readily accessible test points and ground hooks support easy probing and troubleshooting. The board can be powered by USB-C or a CR2032 coin cell battery with automatic switching between the two power sources. Other features include an integrated printed circuit board antenna with a matching and filtering network and a UFL connector for making conducted RF measurements. The board works with the comprehensive yet easy-to-use RSL15 software development kit, which includes drivers, libraries, sample code, and development tools for mobile apps. For more information on the onsemi RSL15 Evaluation and Development Board and on how onsemi is driving disruptive innovations to help build a better future with a focus on industrial end markets, visit avnet.com/onsemi-industrial 2023.